In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online. Whether you're a student, setting up your first account, or looking for the convenience of digital banking, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head to the Barclays website. You'll want to go to www.barclays.uk/current accounts. Once you're there, you'll notice a range of available account options tailored to different needs. You'll see choices like the Everyday Current account, ideal for daily banking, the student account for those in education, the Premier account which offers premium services, and even business accounts for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Go ahead and click Apply Now on the account that best fits your needs. Next, you'll need to fill out an online form. This will ask for a few essential details. Be ready to provide your full name and date of birth. You'll also need to input your UK address and contact information. Having a national insurance number can be helpful here, so include it if you have one. Additionally, they'll ask for your employment or income details. This information is crucial, so ensure that everything you enter matches your official documents to avoid any issues later on. Once you've completed the form, it's time to verify your identity. Barclays requires you to upload a photo ID. This could be your passport or UK driving license, whichever is more convenient for you. Additionally, you'll need to upload proof of your address. Suitable documents include a recent utility bill or a bank statement. Keep in mind that Barclays might also request you to record a short selfie video. This is just an extra step to further confirm your identity and enhance security. After you've verified your identity, it's time for the final step, submitting your application. Before doing this, double-check all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. When you're satisfied everything is accurate, click the Submit button. Once submitted, some applications are approved instantly, giving you immediate access to your new account. However, don't worry if it takes a few days, as some applications may need further review. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the online application process for a Barclays Bank account. This digital convenience allows you to manage your finances from the comfort of your home, faster and easier than visiting a branch. Enjoy the benefits of your new account and the services Barclays has to offer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.